Hi, so today I'm gonna show the way I solve the problems in week 7. So I already downloaded it under the XLSX file, so I'm gonna skip that step. And I'm gonna go on the part 3, which is create new variables for mean and standard deviations. So first of all, I'm gonna create a new column, name means, and the second one is standard deviations. I'm gonna use the VLOOKUP to solve this problem. By choosing the lookup value, which is the kitchen, the table rate, which is the table that has been given to me. The coindex numbers will be the 2. I'm gonna choose the false, which is the exact match, and I got this one. And I'm gonna drag it up. I drag it down until the end. So I'm gonna forget. I will have to hold this one up. Okay, got it. And then I'm gonna change to the standard deviations. With the same method. Now I'll hold this one up. Yes, then I'm done the part 3. I'm gonna change to the part 4 to stimulating the temps until failure. So I'm gonna add a new variable called random number. And this one is stimulated time until fail. Okay. So I just take a random number. For all of these departments, and I'm changed to equal the means and standard deviations from part 3 and the entry in random numbers. Simulate a time until failure using the normal distributions. So the probability might be the random numbers. And then I replace the mean and the standard deviations in here. And I got this one. And I just drive them down to get the result for each department. And I'm done. And I will continue with the part 5. So now we have to determine the mean time to failures and standard error across all the items stored in this data set. So as I saw, here's the mean time until failures, and I'm gonna find the standard error of this one by take the formulas. To find the standard error of the mean, we take the sample standard deviations divided by the square root of the numbers of observations in this sample. So I'm gonna take the D3, D2. I divide for the square root of this one, which is the number that I want to look at it. And I'm gonna like restrain this one. Oops. I got this result. Like at first, I think like I need to take the standard deviations from these tables. However, this like, however, if I use the COUNTIF, however, because I want to use the COUNTIF to like look out for the standard deviations from this one, because this one is, because the standard deviations in here is already like arranged based on arranged to the appropriate department. So therefore I, when I try to find the standard errors by the standard deviations in this one, it will pull onto the other blind cell, and there's no answer for me. So yes, that's the reasons why I have to use the standard deviations in here, and I use the COUNTIF to like to show off that these are standard deviations or belong to this one, which is already being set up properly. Now I'm gonna go to find the 95% confidence intervals for this value. So I'm gonna like go on the data. And I take on the confidence level for men, which is 95%. And okay, this will show up for me like a chart to show off the confidence, a chart from the statistic data, and it will show off to me the confidence level of 95%. And I'm gonna find the minimums. And also find the maximum. So I'm gonna find it by take the mean minus the confidence level to find the minimums. I'm gonna take the mean plus with the confidence level to find the maximums, and that is the thing that I got. So thanks for watching.